Hey guys, welcome back to the Play Highway. Today we are going to be showing you how to make an animal turn upside down.
Yes.
Hi.
Yes, we are. So I'm his friend again. This is my second video. Today we are going to be making how to turn a sheep upside down by using the code name Dinnerbone.
But we are going to just show you how anyway. So what you're going to need is an anvil, name tag, any kind of fence, lead, and an animal you want. It can't be like a monster, but it can be like just an animal.
Okay, so what you're gonna do? Here, put the mic closer to me, man. Put the mic closer to me. Okay. Here, hold it to me. Like, hold it to me. Like, sit up and hold it. Okay. So what you're going to actually hold it. Like, put the iPad down. Hold it. Here, okay. You know what? Here, I'll just do this. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to need this anvil right here. So you're going to put this anvil down, and then you're gonna go to it. And then you're gonna put the name tag in it.
And then name it Dinnerbone.
Yes, capital D, capital D. Okay. Then
Like on my eyes.
And bone.
Oops, I actually just placed a sheep's egg.
You actually put. Okay, so that's what you're gonna do, and then you're gonna take it out. Okay. And then you're gonna place your animal, put a fence down. Get a lead, put it on the lead like that, and then you're gonna take it and tame it, and then boom. And then I'm gonna let go of the lead.
And you can do it with different animals like sheep.
Yes, you actually can. I'm
going
gonna
to show you different animals different animals that we can do. So we are not gonna fast forward this part. I thought we were for some reason. Okay. So I'm gonna try it on a pig.
So you're gonna do it on a pig. Okay, let's see how that will turn out.
It turned upside down.
Okay.
Okay, this is awesome.
Let me try it. Here, let me try it on. Let's do a monster just to see and prove that it will not work. We're not so sure, okay?
Okay, I'm gonna do it on a cat.
So he's gonna go do it on a cat. Here, I'll do it for you.
Okay, you can't name cats.
I'll do it for you. Oh, it turned upside down.
Cat's upside down.
Alright, so let's do it on a zombie. But
I'm gonna see if a salmon will work.
Salmon. Put a water in. Put water in. Like make a little water.
Oh yeah, I don't care about salmon right now. Bee. Let's see if it'll work on a bee.
Salmon will not work. If it's on the ground, it'll just float. And yes, a bee will work.
Somehow I'm holding onto a bee.
So it does work on mobs, guys.
Whoa, it actually does work on mobs.
Yes,
we had no idea that it works on mobs.
Yes, so you can do it on mobs. Technically. Oh,
All mobs, I think. All
rest
mobs.
in peace, zombie.
Rest in peace, zombie.
So that will be the end of this video. Make sure to stick around for our next video.
And I am going to try to name a bee.
Here, let me help you. After this, we're gonna end.
Oh my gosh, it actually made a bee turn upside
Let
down.
me see this.
Bee's upside down.
Oh my god.
Bees upside down. Okay, that is the video for today. Please like and subscribe and turn on notifications to see more videos come out. Bye.